Swanee, sometimes I want to make a quick dinner just for 2 people. So what's your suggestion?
This is the perfect recipe. Gnocchi Sorrentina. So baked gnocchi, yeah? And we're using San Remo shelf-stable pasta, yeah? So no need to make our gnocchi. Yeah, it takes too much time. This is a wonderful product. We get this sauce going straight away.
Okay.
Good glug of oil, Juz. Now, this dish is famous in Naples, where my mother's from, yeah?
Oh, how
yes,
nice.
Close to my heart. Really simple, no need knife. Just grab your garlic, back of the palm, like so, Juz.
Okay. Yep.
So really, traditional Italian cooking, especially when you're making a nap sauce or, passata, is just to infuse the garlic into the oil, okay?
Yes.
So that takes a couple minutes like so. And then we remove the garlic.
And you would think that just that little bit of garlic wouldn't do much when you started to show me how to do this. Like, nah, I don't know about it, just chop it, put it in. But it really does infuse that oil.
Definitely does. And you know what? I remember the first time I saw it being done and I was like, wow, how smart. And they've been doing this for hundreds of years.
Very nice.
Okay, so gnocchi, fantastic because it's shelf-stable, like I mentioned before. Keep it in the pantry, ready to go, you know what I mean? Really easy. And no work.
Well, it only takes, what, a few minutes to cook?
2 minutes, exactly.
2 minutes, so this is a very quick dinner.
All right, let's take our garlic out.
Yes.
Just leave them there like so. Now, today I'm using some cherry tomatoes in the passata. This is typical to Naples and Sorrento in particular because the beautiful volcanic, soil that's in Naples, where these tomatoes grow, are nice and sweet.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just using the back of the spoon, I'm just going to squash them down like so. Okay. All right, Juz, so we need to bring our sugo up to the boil like so. Right. Now, if your sauce reduces too much, touch of pasta water,
Yes.
In it goes like so. Just obviously thins it out and brings it back around to where it needs to be.
Yep.
I'll get you to pick me some basil, please.
Okay, how much basil?
Just like half a cup.
Half a cup, sure can.
This is the midweek dinner for 2, yeah? Like you mentioned, you're looking for the inspiration for 2 people. This is the one.
Very nice.
All right, buffalo mozzarella out. Now just shake off a little bit of excess water.
Right.
Look at that richness. I love that.
It's
That's
the
just
best.
So good. Now, time to get our pasta into the water.
Okay.
2-minute cook. No time at all.
Right.
Be done.
Yep.
In they go. Quick stir.
Yeah. And how can we tell that the gnocchi is cooked, apart from putting a timer on?
You can put timer on, but no need. When gnocchi starts to float to the top of the water, that's ready to go. Yeah, so they're like little pillows.
Yes.
So I'll just gradually raise to the top of the water and we're ready to rock and roll.
Okay.
In with the basil.
Oh, straight in the sauce?
Yeah, straight in.
Okay.
So you obviously, sometimes I add it right at the end. This dish asks for it to be from halfway through.
Yes, yep.
Nice.
And if you close your eyes and you smell that basil, tomatoes, the smell of Naples.
I feel like I'm home. All right, tearing in half the amount of the mozzarella.
Oh, right, in the sauce.
Yeah, so 2-stage, yeah? So, and then the other half we're going to add on top.
Right.
So just going to allow that to ooze into the sauce like so. Look at our gnocchi. Yeah,
So
little
fast.
pillows to the top.
Yep.
Straight out, make sure you strain off the excess water. Don't want to thin out our lovely sauce.
Yep. I love gnocchi.
Yeah, you know what? A really good snack.
Yeah.
A little snack. Yeah, is grabbing some butter, throwing it in the pan. Buon noisette, you know what to do there, yeah? So get it really burnt. And then throwing the gnocchi into the pan and a little bit of salt and parmesan. Nice little snack. Okay, look at that. Just mixing that through.
It's just the way you toss.
Hey, listen, a lot
No
of
one
years, not
does
going to
it
make
like
the cuts.
you.
Straight into our baking dish.
Okay. I think there's a perfect ratio of sauce to gnocchi there.
You think?
Yes.
I hope so. You're making me nervous now. Starting to worry I got too much sauce, but you know what? You can never have too much sauce because when it's going into the oven,
Yes.
obviously it's going to get a little, suck up all that flavour.
Yes.
Now, Juz, sprinkle Parmesan over the top.
Would love to.
Yeah, don't be shy.
Lots? Okay.
Come on. And then we just drop all that last of the buffalo mozzarella.
So good.
Yeah. So into an oven, 220 degrees for around 8 minutes until it's nice and golden brown.
Great. Oh, Swanee, that was bubbling like a volcano.
Oh, Mount Vesuvio.
How appropriate. This looks really good and it smells fantastic. A perfect lunch for 2.
Oh, we've got to wait till it cools down or we're going to dig in?
We're going to wait till it cools down. That is piping hot.